Ano naman? Ano naman? Si Paulian. Pila din na. Nakuha na eh. Hang!
Hello, teacher.
Hello, 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 hello. How are you, hon? How
I'm
are
good.
you, my
And you?
dear? I am so good too. I missed you. Okay. Are you in the car?
Yes.
Where are you going?
I have breakfast and I go to outside.
You will go outside or you will go home?
I am going to home.
You will be going home. I think it has already been 1 hour. Okay. What did you eat for breakfast, Hong? What did you eat for breakfast?
Eating grapes.
Meat? 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 You ate meat?
No, no. Grape,
What? Web?
grape. Yes.
It's so nice. It's a nice food. Did you enjoy the food?
Yes.
Okay. How's the weather today? How is the weather today, Hong? Is it hot?
No, it's
It's
very happy.
okay. All right. Anyway, honey, I am now going to share the screen. We are now going to have our material, okay? You ready?
Okay.
Okay, teacher's going to share the material now. Okay. All right. Can you see teacher's screen now? Hung? Can you see it now? Yes. Okay, so you can see teacher's screen now. Let's now move forward to this one. So you're going to answer some questions, honey, okay? You will be answering the questions. You ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah. So here, honey, it's all about Mary's pet. Okay. So please read this one, honey. This is, please read.
Huh? Where my red cat live? I don't know anything how married pet, but you do. Some I am going just some question.
Yes. Okay. Teacher's going to give you or to ask you some questions, honey. Okay. You ready?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm ready.
Let's have number one. What pet has Mary got?
Um, Mary brought a hoe.
Very good. Great job, honey. Mary got a horse. Okay, two. What does it eat? What does it eat?
It, it, it carrot.
It eats
It, it, it
carrots.
carrot.
Very good.
Carrot.
Yes, carrots. Okay, three. What color is it? What color is it?
It brown and black.
Very good. It's brown and black. Black. Okay, wait for a while, honey. Okay, next. 4. How old is it?
Years old.
It is
It is 6 years old.
very good. 5. What's its name? What is its name?
It's Harry.
Its name is Harry. Very good.
It's Harry.
Okay, now let's read your answers, honey. Let us read your answers. Okay, let's start with number 1. What pet has Mary got? Mary got.
Harry brought a hope.
Very good. Number 2. What does it eat? What does it eat?
Carrot.
Very good. Okay, next. What color is it? What color is it?
It's brown and black.
Very good. How old is it?
It's 6 years old.
Very good. It's 6 years old. Great job, honey. Okay. Next one. What is its name?
Its name is Harry.
Okay, very good. Its name is Harry. Great job. Okay. Now, honey, let's move forward to the next one, honey. Okay, let's have this one. Now, please read this one, honey. This is, okay, let's just go on here. Let's have question number 1. Hong, what pet has Peter got? Peter got.
Peter got a fox.
Okay. Peter got, let's write it here. 1, 1, 1. Peter got a frog. Honey, say frog. Frog.
Fox.
Okay, yes. Peter got a frog. Okay, 2. What does it eat? What does it eat? It eats.
Oh, I don't know this.
Honey,
I don't know it.
spiders.
Spider.
Spiders. Do you know spider?
Yes.
Yes. A spider is?
Nhện.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, how do you say it? What does it eat? It eats.
It is
Spy.
spider.
Very good. Okay, 3. What color is it? What color is it?
This green and brown.
Yes, it is green and brown. Okay, next let's have number 4. How old is Peter's pet?
It's 8 months.
Very good. It is 8 months. 5. What is its name? What is its name?
Red. Red.
Hmm? Its name, you say its name
His name is
is
Red.
Fred. Okay, let's start again from number 1, honey. You read your answers. Number 1, what pet has Peter got?
Peter got a fox.
Okay, question 2, what does it eat?
It is spider.
Very good. It is a spider. Very good, honey. Now, let's have 3. What color is it?
It is green and brown.
Very good. 4. How old is Peter's pet?
It is 8 months.
Okay. All right. Now, what is its name?
It's fair.
Okay, very good, honey. Thank you so much, my dear. All your answers are perfect. Now, you will be telling a story, honey. Here, you will be telling a story. So it's called A Walk in the Mountains. You have to look at the pictures, honey. So you have to read this one first, honey. This one. And this.
Okay.
Nó càng nó nói vậy đó, khốn nạn thôi. Thì nó ra bên nó khùng. Đậu nghĩa chừng chờ. Cố luôn.
Please read, honey.
Girls are walking in the movie. They are carrying rulers. Some people are sticking no young can the story.
Okay, there, honey, it's mountains. Mountains. This one is rucksacks. Rucksacks. Okay. Yes, and how about this word? How do you read this word? It's skiing. Yes. Okay, here, honey. The 2 girls are walking. Okay, this is the first picture. Hong, okay? Hong, this is the first picture. This. Okay, the 2 girls are walking in the mountains. They're carrying rucksacks. Some people are skiing too.
2 cô gái đang đi bộ trên núi. Họ đeo ba lô, một số người đang trượt tuyết.
Okay? Okay, let's go. Now, how about in picture 2, honey? What's happening in the picture 2? What are the 2 girls doing in picture 2? Only in picture 2, honey, okay? Only in the picture 2. Okay, what are the girls doing in picture 2?
They are
Next to that,
eating. Next to that, they are eating.
okay, next to that, the 2 girls
The 2 girls
are what?
Are eating.
Very good. Okay, next to that, the 2 girls are eating. How about number 3, honey? Let's have number 3. Let's go here.
Next to that, they see a snowman with their umbrella and they are happy.
Yes, after that, they found a snowman with an umbrella. And they are very happy about it. Very good, honey. Number 4, Hong. Picture 4.
Picture 4, they are singing and they are very fun.
Yes, okay. The 2 girls
are, singing
and playing a Playing,
And
huh? What is
they
this? Gi. What is this one?
guitar.
Yes. They're singing and playing a guitar. And they're having fun, honey?
Yes, they are
And they
fun.
are both
Fun.
they are both having fun. Okay, let's have number 5. Let's have picture 5.
And they all go singing, and the people all go singing too.
Okay.
They are very, very happy
Okay,
to
you say
say to
yes.
snowman.
Very good, honey. You say lastly, all of the people were singing too. Or
Lastly, all the people are singing too.
yes, and they are all
And
having
all
fun.
happy one.
Okay, now honey, please read. Okay, please read this part, honey. This and this. That's for number 1. Please read.
People are slinking now. Young people are sling.
Okay. The 2 girls are walking in the mountains. They are carrying rucksacks and some people are skiing. Okay, now please read number 2, honey. Read number 2.
After that, the 2 girls are eating.
Very good. Okay. Next, 3.
Boy, not
After that,
after that,
they found
they found
a what?
a
A snow.
a snowman
Yes. Okay. After that, they found a snowman with, continue, honey, with an,
with and
Hong, 3. Continue number 3. Okay, I will make this bigger. Okay. Okay, 3, honey.
teacher.
Yes.
I'm have a handbag.
Huh?
Teacher, I'm have a handbag.
You have a
Handbag.
handbag?
Handbag.
Hand.
Yes.
Headache? Headache?
Yes.
Oh, do you want to continue the class?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you will
1 minute later, he will come back.
what? Honey, can you say it again?
5 minutes later, he
Okay.
will come back.
Okay. Okay, honey. Okay. I will wait.
Thank you.
Yeah, I will wait. It's okay.
Chào.
Hello. Are you now at home?
Yes.
You just arrived now at home. You're not in the car anymore. Okay, let's have number 3, honey. Let's continue. Do you still have a headache, honey? Does it still hurt? Your head still hurts?
Yes.
Oh, you drink water. You drink plenty and a lot of water, honey. Yeah. Do you want to drink water?
Yes.
Oh, yes, drink water.
Khác nữa. Khác nữa.
Okay. Shall we continue now?
Yes.
Okay, let's have number 3.
After that, they saw a snowman with an umbrella day, and they are very happy about
About it.
it.
Okay, 4.
The two girls are singing and playing a guitar, and they are both have fun.
Having fun. Okay, 5.
Like it, and after people are singing too, and they are and have fun.
Yes, and they are all having fun. Thank you so much, honey. Now, let's have this one. All right, we have here the suggested answers, honey. Let's read all of these suggested answers, honey, okay? Let's start with number 1.
The girls
Ah,
are sit now they are a picnic. It's slowly the girls are putting on the cold. A snowman give an umbrella to the girl, and they and one girl playing the guitar. The girl like the music. It's so snowing. The boys and the girl and the snowman are half of Ireland. They are happy. People are happy. They are dancing and sing.
yes, very good, honey. Honey, this word is everyone. Everyone.
Everyone.
Very good. That word is everyone, honey. Okay. Now let's move forward to the next page. Okay, we are already done with this material, Hong. Are you ready for the next one, Hong? We are now going to have the flyer speaking 5. Okay, so teacher's going to open the flyer speaking 5. All right, can you see teacher's screen?
Yes.
Okay, well, that's great to hear. So let's have the speaking 5 now, honey. Now, tell me about your English teacher, Hong. You have to tell me about your English teacher. What is the name of your English teacher?
Name is Long.
Nam?
Long.
Can you type it, honey? Can you write it?
Okay. In the chat box.
Okay, put it in the chat box.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much, honey. It's long. Okay. All right. My English teacher's name, you say?
My English teacher name is Long.
Long. Teachers. Okay. Can you describe your teacher's physical appearance, honey? Describe your teacher's physical appearance.
Hãy mô tả ngoại hình của giáo viên bạn.
Very big and good for me and
Again.
my friend.
Again, can you say it again?
He is big.
He is big.
Yes.
Is he a boy, honey? Is it a man?
Yes.
He is a big man. And he is very good to me. Good to me and my friend. Okay, please read, honey. Kindly read.
The name is Long. He is big man and he is very good to me and my friend.
Very good. Okay. All right. Now, let's have the next one, honey. Let's go to the next one. Do you like learning English? Are your English skills good?
Yes.
Okay. You say, I like. Do you like learning English, honey? You say, yes. I like learning English. Can you say it, honey? Yes, I like learning. Honey, say, yes, I like learning English.
Yes. I like learning English.
Very good. Okay, next one. Are your English speaking skills good?
Khả năng nói tiếng Anh
Yes.
của bạn có tốt không?
Okay, you say, yeah, and my English skills is good.
My English is
Are good. Okay, are good. Okay, please read your answer, honey. Kindly read your answer. Honey, yes, I
yes.
like.
I like English and my English things are good.
Very good. Okay, next. What can you do if you can speak English? Again, one more time. What can you do if you can speak English?
Bạn có thể làm gì nếu bạn nói được tiếng Anh?
I can speak with my friend because my friend is half my friend from the USA.
Oh, I can speak. I can talk. I can, you say, honey. I can talk to my friend from the USA if I know, if I can speak English. Honey, please read your answer. I can talk to my.
From the USA if I can speak English.
Very good. Okay, what can you do? Okay, hold on. I will translate it. Wait for a while. What can you do to improve your English skills?
Bạn có thể làm gì để cải thiện kỹ năng tiếng Anh của mình?
I can go to the class and
I will. You will go to the class and
class and are very times speak English.
And practice. Speak English there.
English.
Okay, one more time. What can you do to improve your English skills? Please read your answer. I will go.
I want to go to class at next the English school.
Okay. All right, that is it, honey. Now, let's move forward to the next one. Okay, here, honey, you're going to find the differences. You have to go and find for the differences, honey. Tell me if you're done, okay? Are you done, huh?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, now let's start from here. Hold on. Here and here.
Now one. The kite doesn't have a plan, but in the picture, the kite have a plan.
Leaves. Okay, again, in picture one, the tree has leaves. Honey, you call it leaves, okay? You call it leaves. Leaves in Vietnamese are lá.
Lá,
Okay, leaves. All right, again, in picture one, the tree has leaves. Has no leaves. Has no leaves. But in picture two,
But in the picture, but in the picture,
the tree has. Okay, again, one more time, honey. In picture one, the tree has no leaves. But in picture two, the tree has what? Has leaves. Okay, please read again, honey. Kindly read again. Hong. Read.
The picture one, the tree has no leaves, but in picture two, the tree has leaves.
Has leaves. Has leaves.
Has leaves.
Yes.
trong hình thứ nhất, cây không có lá, nhưng trong hình thứ hai, cây đã có lá.
Okay. Now let's move forward to the next one, honey. How about the monkey? Next, honey. In picture
The
one,
the monkey is blind. It's blind, but in picture two, the monkey is on the tree. But
honey.
in picture two, the monkey is blind.
Yes, very good, honey. In picture one, honey, the monkey is swinging. Is
Swinging.
playing on the swing.
Blind on, but in.
Swing. But in picture two, the monkey
But in picture two, the monkey is going this.
is climbing
It's climbing
in the tree.
in a tree.
Very good. Okay, please read this one, honey. Can you read? Honey, please. Okay. Anyway, honey, I am going to we are going to continue this one next meeting, okay? So because we don't have enough time anymore. Thank you so much, Hung, for your time, and you did so well today, okay? Thank you so much, Hung, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher.